And next one is array methods. So tuples and array methods both are that means both are looking same, but small difference is arrays will accept only single type of elements, but tuples accepts more than single type of element. Okay, arrays accepts either numbers or strings only. Okay, let a equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like that. So these are the array methods. We will look into one by one. Console.log a.push. So there is no need to require console. A.push. See here, new elements to add to the array. Okay, and appends new elements to the end of the array. So I'm going to push element 70 at the end of the array. So A 70 is added. Next, pop. Pop means it will remove the element. Okay. Yes. So end of the element will be removed. Here for pop operation, if you give a value in pop, or if you don't give the value in pop, it will not consider. Okay. Yes. Okay. You can give, you cannot give also, no problem. So it will not consider the value, whatever you are passing, it will not consider. Okay. So next one is shift. And definition is removes the first element from an array. Okay. The first element will be removed. Unshift. Unshift logic is, see, insert new elements at the start of the array. Okay. So 100, I'm going to give 100. Okay. Here there is a difference between push, pop, shift, unshift. Push means last insert. Pop means last delete. Shift means delete. Unshift means, what is unshift?
Add.
First insert. See this. You observe this? Quite often. Next one. Delete. Delete. Suppose I want to delete. It will not come. I want to delete element in a particular position. Then see this. So element 0, 1, 2, 30 will be deleted, and it leaves undefined holes in the array. Okay, so that's why we don't go for delete operation. Next, splice. It add or removes element to the or from the given array. So a dot splice of start number and delete count. Okay, so start number is 0 1 2 3 3. Delete count, I don't want to delete any elements, and I want to insert some elements like 61 62 63. And see what will happen. See 0 1 2 3. So this first parameter indicates starting position. Okay. Second parameter indicates how many elements you want to delete to insert these three values. Okay. For example, if I give 1, then see what will happen. What will happen? 61 will see from 61 to 63 will be inserted from after 30th. Why? Because 0 1 2 3 third position. Here this is the third position, 61 62 63, and here we have mentioned 1 means one element, 40 will be deleted, and after that 50 60 will be displayed. Okay, we give 2, what will happen? See 40 and 50 will be deleted. Okay, that is splice. Splice means here we can give the number of elements to be deleted. Okay, and we can give the starting position. Okay, 3, and we can give the list of elements to be inserted. Okay, it will perform two operations, delete and insert. If you give 0 means it will not delete anything. Did you understand? Next one, concat. Let concat means it returns new array object that contains 2 or more merged arrays. So 70, 80. If you want to concat two arrays, so in string functions also we have seen that concat function. So it will concatenate. That means it will append so new string to existing string. So like that, a dot concat of b is 70 80 will be added at the end of the array of a. Okay, so this is concat. Next one, slice. Slice means a dot slice. So it returns a copy of a section of an array. Okay, so here I'm going to give 2 comma 5 and let b equal to, and I'm going to display the value. See this, what happened? So I'm giving two parameters to 5. That means 0 1 2. From 2 I mean 30 to 3 4. Okay, so 2 to 5 means 2 3 4. It will not consider fifth position, so it will display 30 40 and 50. Okay, so if I give 3, then what will be the result? I think no one is interested to give response. So 3, 4 only. It will not return 5th position value. Okay. Next, reverse. Reverse, all of you know that what will happen.
A dot A dot
Okay, it will reverse the existing elements in an array. Next one, copy within. Returns the object after copying a section of the array identified by start and end to the same array starting at position target. That means target number is target, start and end. 0, 4, 7. See, here 4 to 7, what are the values? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, not 6 only there, no? 5. So 4, 5, 4, 5. So 3, 4. What are the values of 3 and 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
40,
50. So 40, 50, that will be placed at starting of the array. Okay, 40, 50. Okay, for 40, 50, how many elements will need to be removed means 2 elements, 10, 20. So 40, 50 will be placed in the place of 10 and 20 and remaining elements will be same. That is copy within. Okay, next, every. So every means determines whether all the elements of an array are satisfying the provided function conditions. I mean, suppose I'm having one value 100. Okay, if all elements in an array are satisfied, all the elements all the elements in an array are less than 100 or not. Suppose if we want to check that condition, then what we'll do? So we will write one function f1 number, number less than 100. A dot every this determines whether all the members of an array satisfy the specified test. Okay. So here writing that function name 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, all these elements are less than 100. Suppose I am giving here 10, then see what will happen. False. Will return false. Okay. This is the purpose of every. It determines whether all the members of an array satisfy the specified test. Next, fill. Tell me the definition of fill. Now this output and tell me the definition. So whenever we have given this value, okay, that will replace the existing elements value. Okay? 70. So if I write here 80, So then here it was 6 elements. So 6 elements are replaced by 70. And here 7 elements. 7 elements are replaced by 70. That is fill. And next one is index of. Index of this 30. What is the index value of 30? 0, 1, 2, 2. Suppose if another 30 is there, like index of function means in string functions also we have seen this function. Okay, index of. If another 30 is there, then what we will do? Here, comma, another 7. So what is the 30 index element of 30? Index position of 30 after 3. Okay, 0, 1. After 2, what is the index position of 30? That is the index of means will return the index position of a particular element. If you pass only single parameter, if you pass multiple parameters, that means 2 parameters, then first parameter indicates the searching element, second parameter indicates the position. So after from this position only need to start the searching. Please take last index of this 7. So if we give 6 means after 7, what will be the index number of 30? It will displace that index number. Next. Includes 50. Includes means whether these elements exist in this particular array or not. So if it is exist, then it will display true. Otherwise, it will display false. So I'm going to join these elements with forward slash. You can do that. Okay. Next one is let's start. Want to this is order. If you want to do this descending order, then you can do the reverse. Map. Map means it calls the specified function for every array element and returns the new array. That means I'm going to write one function. F1. Here, map of F1. Here, this map function will take 10 and then it will pass the 10 to this function. So it will I am doing this square. So a into a. So 10 into 10. And then it will pass 20. 20 into 20. 30 into 20. 30. Like that. So squaring. I'm doing squaring. So that's why 10 becomes 100. Okay. map function calls the specified function for every array element and returns the new array. This is the new array. Filter. Filter means just see.
I think your voice is not clear.
Hello. Not clear.
It's breaking.
Hello.
Hello. Now it's clear.
Now it is clear.
Yeah, now it's clear.
So filter means returns the elements of an array. That means the condition specified in the callback function. So here I am passing each and every element to this function. If this condition is satisfied, then only that element will be produced in and stored in another array. Okay, 50 and 80. So 10 is not greater than 50, so it will be removed. Okay, so it will be removed means it will not display in result. Okay, next reduce. Reduce means it executes a provided function for each value from the left to right and reduces the array into a single value. Okay. So here I have written the logic. I have written the logic to add all elements of an array. This 320 is the total sum of an array. So that is reduced. From left to right, it will take all elements and process that elements, whatever according to our logic, it will display the result. So that is reduced method.